Now paper number 36, CGL Tier 1. Then question number 1, it is based on inequalities. Answer Japan. Now here, which are the given conclusions is true. Now the relation between R and Y. Now which symbol is common? Lesser than. R lesser than Y, definitely true. The next one, N and K. Now N and K, N lesser than K is true. N greater than K is false. A and J, and between A and J, two opposite symbols. And what is your answer? Only one, choice one, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2, 77 and 78, difference is 1. Next, minus 8, 27, minus 64. What are these numbers? 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, plus 5 cube. 125 plus 33. That is 158, choice 3. Then question number 3. In a certain code language, human pollute nature, and nature give health. And how is health coded in this? Now health coded in this, where is health? Health is here. Now nature and give. Now here nature and give are the two words that are common between these two. And what are the codes that are common here? Now 2, 1, 3 and 1 and 3 are common. If 1 and 3 stands for nature and give, health is for 2. 2, that is choice 3, question number 3. Then coming to question number 4. Now in this one we need to arrange all these words in a dictionary order. Now in this dictionary order, tell me which comes first here. OB is common. The third letter is different. Now in the third letter, D comes first. Next followed by F. That means 4 and 2. Now 4 and 2, now we are left with this one, 4, 2, 1. Then what is the last one we have? My last time was in Japanese. OBJ, after it's UR, and 3 should be at the last place, and 3 is at the last place given in choice for question number 4. Then next one, 5th one, my 5th chesara. Now in this question number 5, then we need to find out the mirror image. Now the mirror image to this figure is placed to the right of the figure. Now if it is placed to the right hand side of the figure, then tell me what is your answer here? This arrow which is at the left hand side must be to the right hand side. And right hand side, now this one towards right. Now it must be towards left hand side. This is again ruled out. Isn't it? Then this line should be there. Ek line ledhu manaki. And so what is your answer? Choice 3. Then question number 6. Bachelor and spinster. As what is the relation between these two? Bachelor means unmarried male. Bachelor means unmarried male. And in the same way, here, and cock and chicken, master and mistress. That is choice 2. Then 7, it is based on directions. A person starts walking from point X in south direction. Now this is X, and he walks 10 meters and to reach a point Y, and from Y he takes right turn and walks 12 meters. From here, right hand side 12 meters to reach point Z. And again from Z, he walks 5 meters from Z in the north direction. Not towards north direction, Z 5 meters. And to reach a point Q. From there, now this person walks 24 meters towards right. And 24 meters towards right means this is 12 and this is another 12. Out of this 10, this is 5 and this is 5. Then and reaches point V. Then what is the shortest distance between Y and V? Now we need to find out the distance between these two. What is the distance here? 5 square and 12 square. And 12 square plus 5 square is 13 meters. 13, choice 3, question number 7. The next one, if it is possible to make a meaningful word with 2nd, 6th, 9th and 12th. 2nd, 6th, 9 and 12. Tell me what are the letters we have? O-I-T-N. Now with this, O-I-T-N, what are the letters we have here? O-I-T-N. That is I-N-T-O into. And into is the word. And we need to find out the last letter. What is the last letter? O. O, choice 2, question number 9. Then coming to question number 10. Amma 10th one chesara? 10th one, any answer to this question number 10? Now 31. Now 31 into how much? 31 into 6. How much is that? 31 into 6, 186 minus 24. Saripendra redam. 186 minus 24. And in the same way, 24 into 6. How much is that? 144 minus 24, 120. And next one, 19 into 6. 57, 57, 114. And 114 minus 24. Now, ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది ఆన్సర్ మరి, isn't it? 90, now 19. 19 into 4 is so much? 114. And 114 minus 24, 90. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And similarly 46 into 4. And sorry, 46 into 6. And what is 46 into 6 here? And 46 into 6, that is 40 into 6, 240, 6 into 6, 36, 276. And 276 and 54, what is the difference here? Minus 32. And this is the odd one, except choice 4. And in the remaining, second number into 6 minus 24 is the first number. The next one, question number 11. Now there are 5 students, PQ or SNT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 students, and each of them different weight. P is heavier than Q. P is heavier than Q but lighter than R. And SC is lighter than R. Now this SC is lighter than R but not the lightest. And S cannot be at the 5th place, but not the lightest. R is not the heaviest. R cannot be at this place. R is heavier than P, Q and S, isn't it? As P, Q and S cannot be here, hence Q must be here. And Q is. Then number of persons heavier than P, number of persons lighter than R is equal. And heavier than P, 3, and lighter than R, there are 3. Then who is the person here? S must be here. And if S is here, then the question is about, and weight of the second lightest person is 45. Now P is 45. And who is the third heaviest? Third heaviest is S, choice 1, question number 11. Then in this 12th one, figure completion, Majapan, choice 7, choice 3. Now in this one, now we need to complete the figure, and that figure will be like this. And at the same time, and there is a slant line like this. And it is given in choice 3, question number 12. The next one, 13th one. Now in this 13, we need to find out the elements. And what are the elements we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, isn't it? My total in 6, 8, 24. Now this 24 can be written as and 6 into 4 or 4 into 6. Then if you take 6 into 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And next one. Then H, Z, Z. My ఇక్కడ మనకి H, Z, Z ఉందా లేదు కదా? Isn't it? Then H, HZQ, HZQ, and next one, HZQ blank SV. Then can you take into 4? I'm a 4 into 4 చేయొచ్చా? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. సరిపోతుందా? 4, 4, 4. Here there are 4. ఇక్కడ 4 రావు. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then in this case, are we getting any answer here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And here again 1, 2, 3. Then H and blank Z, HS, ZH, HS. And 8 and 8 also, we are not getting that one. Ma cheppana answer ento vastundi? 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deentone try cheddam. 3 and 6. Then what is the first element in all this? First element is H. And what is H we have? My H em vastundi. Now H is the first element here. And next to H, H, Z, Z. And H, Z, Z. Here H, Z, Z. And H, Z, Q. ఈ రెండు HZQ, HZQ. Here HZZ, ZZ. ఉండొచ్చా? HZZ, HZZ. Then dash SV. Now here dash SV is the last. Then out of which, tell me what is the element that has to be present? HZZ. Then next one, HZ, Z, and RSV or QSV. Now H, first element is H. HH. What is the first element missing out here? WH, Z. Then WH, Q. మళ్ళీ రాదు కదా అది. Now WH, Z, HZZ. Then next one, now each of this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. First H repeated twice. then Z written twice, HZZ, then Q written twice, isn't it? And HZQ. And next one, and which must be written twice here? H is twice, then Z is twice, then Q is twice, then next one, S must be twice, isn't it? H, H, Z, and what are the other elements we have? H, Q, and H, H, Z, Q. Now that's it. And so what are the letters we have? H, Q, Z, Q, S. Choice one. First H is the letter that is written twice. Next second letter written twice, Z. Third letter S written twice, Q written twice. Then fourth letter S written twice. Then 14th one. Now in this question number 14, some N's are ruble. Now these are the N that are ruble, and some ruble are dollar, and no dollar is euro, no intersection between dollar and a euro. And some N are euro. N is here, euro is here, no intersection. No N is euro, definitely true. As no N is euro, to make this one false, now we need to do some N's are euro. Some N are euro chappacha leda. And this is false, now this has become true. Hence, what is your answer? Either 1 or 2, choice 3, 14. Then 15th one, and B. B stands for what? Multiplication. And A stands for what? Addition. And C stands for subtraction. And A stands for addition. And D stands for division. And similarly, A stands for addition, and B is for multiplication, and D is for division. Now tell me what is your answer in this case. Now first division. Now division 162 divided by 18. And 9. Then again we have 99 plus 116. And and 215. And 215 divided by 5. And 443. Survey 43? And 43 is here. That is 43 plus 4 into 9. How much is it? 36. Then minus, now 12 plus 4, 26. And 8 into how much? And 8 into 26. Now 8 into 26 is how much? 26 into 8. Much upon 20 into 8, 160, 6 into 8, 48. That is 120, 48, 168. 168 plus 36. Isn't it? 168 plus 36. And how much is that one? And 204 minus 43. And 204 minus 43. Last digit is 1. Saripendra is 201. And 201, that is choice 2. Then next one, question number 16. Now in the 16th one, 8th January. 8th January 2018, Monday. Which of the following days will have 8th January on Monday? My meaning in Japan. Now it is nothing but same calendar year. And same calendar year 2018. Man class lo discuss chesam idi. Same calendar year ela teeskovali. Yes, all together we have discussed about 3 points. Now if it is a leap year, repeats exactly after 28 years. The next year to a leap year repeats after 6 years. Second year to a leap year repeats after 11 years. Third year to a leap year repeats after 11 years. Fourth year to a leap year, again a leap year. Now this 2018 comes under which category? మా దేనికి కింద వస్తుంది 2018? ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత వస్తుంది మనకి లీప్ ఇయర్కి? 2016 plus 2 and 18 plus 11. 18 plus 11, 2029. Then and 2029 is the answer. 2024 రాదు. ఎందుకు రాదు చెప్పండి? 2018 is non-leap year. 2024 is a leap year. Can we have leap year again? No. Both these two must be same calendar years. Then same calendar year means both these two must be leap years or both these two must be non-leap years. Okay? Now 2018. Now ఇంకొకసారి చూస్తారా? 2018. మనం రెగ్యులర్గా చేసే పద్ధతి ఇది. 18, 19, 20, then 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, isn't it? 26, 27, 28, 29. మనం 29 అనుకున్నాం కదా? Then write down the odd days. Odd days 18, 1, 1, 2. This is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1. And they get odd days. Then finally, in order to have same calendar year, number of days must be odd days must be 0, isn't it? Now 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 7 point. 7 divided by 7, 0. Hence 2018 and 2024 must have the same calendar year. Logically, it is answer. But whereas, now 2024 is a leap year. 2018 is a non-leap year. Till 2018, we have the same calendar year. Till 28th of February 2024, we will have the same calendar. But it's fair from there onwards. 2018 Monday, then 8th January on Monday. 8th January on Monday. 8th January on Monday రావాలంటే ఏమవ్వాలి? And 8th January. Now 8th January. 8th January అప్పుడు మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది? This is happening before 29th February. 29th February ముందు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది? 2024 సరే. Clear? 29th February దాటింది అనుకోండి. 1 day will be extra. And this 8th January 2018 and this one 8th January on Monday. 2024. 29th February and cross అయితే అప్పుడు నుంచి ఏమైపోతుంది? నెక్స్ట్ డే వస్తుంది. Till 28th February you will have the same calendar. Then 16th one. Then 17 must 17th one చెప్పండి. Now in this question number 17, now start the next figure in this. My next figure ఏం రావాలి? Star. Darken, shifted by one side, then and here. Here it must be a darken star. Here endu poi. Next one, now from here to here, one side. Next must be here. Now right hand side, vacant, left hand side vacant, right hand side, left hand side, right hand side. Now right hand side vacant. Choice 4 is the answer. Then coming to question number 18. My 18th one ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? All 37 students were there. All 37 students of a class are standing in a straight line. Facing towards which direction? North. 37 students are facing towards north. Tarak is 13th from the right hand. Now out of these 37, now this Tarak is 32nd from the right hand. 31 plus 1, 32 plus 5, 37. And Tarak is 37th from the right, while Ankit is 24th from the left. Now Ankit is somewhere here. 24th from the left hand side means now 23 members should be to the left hand side of Ankit. Avuna kada? Out of this one 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 17 23 plus Ankit is 24. Out of this 31 ఎన్ని అయిపోయినాయి చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ 17 were completed. Hence then 31 లో 17 plus 1 18. ఇంకా మిగిలిన ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి? 13. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then how many students are there between Ankit and Tarak? Ankit and Tarak, there are 17. Choice 3. The next 9th one. Now in this 9th, 8 people are there seated around a circular table. There are 8 people who are seated around a circular table. Then facing the center, we and you both are not immediate neighbors of W. We and you, they are not immediate neighbors of W. And W who sits second to the left of P is here, W is here. W is seated second to the left of P. And Q is not an immediate neighbor of V. Now Q and V are not adjacent to each other. And SC is not an immediate neighbor of W and R. SC is not adjacent to W as well as R. Then V sits third to the right of U. Now V is seated third to the right of U. And Q sits third to the right of R. And Q is third to the right of R. Now this is what the information given. Now with the help of this information, tell me and what is the final arrangement. Then who among the following is opposite to T? My T ka opposite అడిగాడు. And T ka opposite, SC is not adjacent to W and R. S cannot be here, cannot be here. అవునా కదా? As S cannot be in these two places, then next V and U is not adjacent to W. Now V and U is not adjacent to W. అక్కడ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. And neither V nor U is here. V and U cannot be here. Then what is the information we have regarding V and U? Then V is third to the right of V and U both are not immediate neighbors, and V sits third to the right of U, and V sits third to the right of U. Then V and U cannot be here, cannot be here. Can U will be here? U ikkada undacha? If U is here, then V sits third to the right of is not possible. U cannot be here, and U cannot be here, isn't it? Then can we have U here? And not possible. Hence, what is the only possibility we have? U is here, and V sits out to the right of U. Then now in this one V and U is not adjacent to W, then SC is not adjacent to W and R. The next one R and Q. Now R and Q is seated out to the right of R and Q is seated out to the right of R. Then where can we have this R? And can we have R at this place? Not possible. Then P and Q must be in the same place. If you cannot have R. And can you have Q at this place? R ikkada undachu. Now if R is here and if R is here, SC is not adjacent to R and W, that is ruled out. Hence R cannot be here. Then what is the only possibility? R must be here. If R is here, 1, 2, 3, Q is here. And SC is not adjacent to W and R. Hence S must be at this place. Then finally we are left with one T. Then who is opposite to T? U. And U is the answer, that is choice 4. Then next one 20th. Ma 20 chesara? Yes, any answer to this 20? Now 36 plus 44. What is the sum of these two? 80. 80 plus how much is 120? Why 40 is added? 80 divided by 2 is 40. Sum of these two is how much? 80 plus 80 by 2. That is 120. 42 plus 36. And those 78. 78 divided by how much? 4. How much is that? And 42 plus 36 and 42 plus 36 and 78. 78 divided by 2 and 39. 78 plus 39, how much is that? 117. Saripinda? Then in the same way, 24 plus 16, and 24 plus 16, that is 40. And 40 plus 40 by 2, 60 choice 1. Saripinda? 24 plus 16, then without breaking down the numbers into constant, and the question is about not related in the same way. Ikkademo this is related. Then in this one 28 plus 54, and 28 plus 54 is 2. Last digit 2 ravali. Last digit 2 which 2 by 1 ante 125 cannot be the number. Choice 2. And choice 2 is not related to the above relation. Ikkada 26 plus 26 52 and 52 plus 26 78. Now 14 plus 20 34. 34 divided by 2 17. 34 plus 17 51. And except choice 2. The remaining 3 are following the same pattern. Then next we need to find out the side that is opposite to star. Star opposite kada kaval. Then now where is star here? Now if you observe here dollar and exclamation. For these two and star is common. And again for these two plus is common. That means this plus and star must be opposite to each other. And these two are common for these two sides. Dollar ki exclamation. ఈ రెండిట్లో కామన్గా ఉండే సైడ్ ఏది? ఇది ఉంటుంది, ఇది ఉంటుంది. ఈ రెండు ఒక పక్కేమో ఇది ఉంది, ఇంకో పక్కేమో ఇది ఉండాలి ప్లస్. హెన్స్ దీస్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ చాయిస్ 4. సరిపోయిందా? ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 22nd. నౌ ఇన్ దిస్ 22nd JCKS BRDF. JCKS BRDF and here QXPH. QXPH LBNP. Now in the same way, then SNLK JDFC. Then what is the logic to this one? Ma cheppana answer cheptara. Now J and Q are opposite, CX opposite, these 4 are opposite. But as here B and L, they are not opposite, difference is 10. R 18 plus 10 28. 4 plus 10 14. 6 plus 10 16. And for the remaining 4 letters, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 are added. And similarly here again, S ka opposite H, NM, LO and KP. And for the remaining 10, J plus 10 and 4 plus 10, how much? 14. 6 plus 10 and 6 plus 10 16. 3 plus 10 13. And so what is your answer here? HMOP and HMOP T and PM. Choice 3, question number 22. Then 23rd. Now in this question number 23rd, now the word is given. Word. Now in this word, jumbled word SCOMRY. Tell me what is the word that can be formed? Mysore. MYSORE, Mysore. Now in this Mysore, now what is the number we have? 4. And next one and 6. 1, 3, 5 to choice 1. 23rd it is choice 1. Then 24 chesara? Yes, any answer to this 24? Ma chesara leda? Ela vachindi? Now in this, what is the value of this one? P. What is the value of P? And 16 plus, because the words, none of these the words were same level akkada. P value anta 16 plus 1, 17 plus 25, 26 plus 7, ento vastundi 42, and 42 when reversed is 24. And fees value anta cheppandi, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 9, 19, 19 plus 6, 19 plus 10, 29, 29 plus 6, 35, 35 when reversed 53. In value anta 14 plus 9, 23, reversed is 32. And here time, the value of time is 47, reversed is 74. Then sum of the place values is reversed. And similarly safe place, safe 19 plus 1, 20, 20 plus 6, 26 plus 5, 31, 31 when reversed is 13. 13 ekkada undi manaki choice 3. And place, and 16 plus 12, 28, 28 plus 1, 29, 29 plus 3, 32 plus 5, 37, 37 when reversed is 73. Then and 24. Then coming to 25. Now in this question number 25, now a paper when folded. Now in this one from here to here when it is open. Now open chesi ela undali. Now this triangle must be in this order. Ante kada? On all the four sides it must be opened along the diagonal. Anduke ela untundi cheppandi? Now these four must be here and at the same time. Idi em ayipoli cheppandi? Now this line, idi manaki double. And again ikkadiki vache time ki this will be double and so on. Done with this? Then what is the choice we have? Choice 1. And middle. Middle ikkada em avutundi cheppandi? 4 times it must be added. Clear? And this is about question number 25, choice 1. Then, now this is about paper number